What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I'm in my garage today. I'm looking down there because I have a small little screen to see what I can. It's like, it's Inception. Sorry. Yeah, so we're back in the garage today. I want to actually get started on this. So today's the 22nd. It's the weekend. It's the Saturday. Outside, I don't know if you can see that, but it's beautiful. Wow. It's not often like this, so yeah. I thought I'd actually get started on the garage because I keep saying I'm going to get started, but I never actually get started. But today, we are getting started. And one thing I do want to do is start by getting like all of this down. So yeah, today's video is going to be about basically just getting rid of this, maybe even start sort of dismantling some of this. I know that I need to find a home for this. I think a lot of this I can actually throw away because it's just like old paint and stuff like that. So if you haven't seen last video, I introduced you guys in the dark, in the pitch black, to my garage. If you don't know, I've moved house from my previous property, obviously, and now at this house it has a double garage. So what a better way to enjoy a double garage than to make it into a dream workshop slash garage slash, yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, anyway. Obviously you can use these Halfords tools as well as hammers, so that's good.
Hammer, also a hammer, 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 bigger hammer, 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 also a hammer.
Right, so they are them screws that I've just took out. Now, don't know what's up there. You guys might. Oh, there is something up here. Oh, whatever that is. Right, what is the Astra keys? What the f keys? Huh. Astra. There'll be no Vauxhalls in this house, trust me, boys. I want you to be mine. And that one. These Audi bits are great. Boys, look at it coming out. What did you do? Hammer this one in? What the well, that one's not too bad. What you want to make sure you're doing, it's like you're nice and gentle with it, because nice and gentle like that. Just keep it nice and gentle. Remember, boys, nice and gentle. I think it's time. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's not moving. It's not moving. Uh-oh. I'm going to use this as a hammer. Don't judge me.
Long hammer. Another hammer. Weird shape hammer. Hammer. Sharp hammer. Angular hammer. And tiny hammer.
Oh, I'm really scared now. Considering this is not a hammer, worked kind of well. Looks like there's a gap now as well. This is gonna be fucking really heavy, isn't it, as well? Oh! Okay, here we go, boys. I'm scared. Holy shit, that's a big screw for that. Perfect. Oh my god, that's heavier than expected. Whew. We did it, boys. We did it. Oh, now I've got to move it. God, that's so heavy. God, I've got a newfound respect for people that put up cabinets. Oh my god. Why is that heavy? Oh, that looks good. Right. Now we've got to get that one off that I can barely get to. So that's going to be even more fun. Bro, why are these? This is massive. I can barely get to it as well, which doesn't really help. Oh, that's falling. She's falling. Oh, come on, bro, really? I'm just gonna have to take the ones off underneath, you know. Oh, that's in the way. Bye, screw. Totally under control. Oh, that hurt. Didn't realise how dirty this garage is, and as well, there's like a lot of water down here. I'm not too sure as to where that's come from. It doesn't look like the roof, but there's a lot. So if you didn't know, I've just moved my wheels, and my wheels were here. There's a lot of condensation on it. I'm not too sure. So if you boys know what could have caused this, yeah, let us know. It might have already been here, actually. It might be oil. I don't know. But let's have a look to see what's in here. Bear in mind as well, I've literally not even looked in here since we've moved in. We've just sort of thrown everything in the garage, and this is getting around to doing some cool. Oh, there's, you know what? I actually thought that was a ring, but it's not. It's one of them little copper olive things for isolation valves. Not very exciting. Here we go. A whole lot of nothing. I wonder what's in this one. Oh, a paintbrush. I didn't know that was in here. We're getting there, boys. We've got some free space over here. Next, I guess, is this. it's working. Maybe this. Ah, there is more screws. One there, and it doesn't look like there's one there though. But that looks like it's moving. Bro, why is there so many nails? What was bro trying to do? Yeah, see, look how tight it is there. That is what's causing it. I'm gonna have to go around and boot this out. Oh, we did it. We actually did it. Oh my god. I don't know what to do now.
Now I'm panicking.
Don't panic.
No, I am, because I'm going to lose my job.
Is this heavy? Yeah, very heavy. Right, we're stuck on everything. There is light at the end of the tunnel, boys. There's light at the end of the garage. Are you ready? Yep. Oh, let me just go into my workshop instead of walking all the way around there. Yep. Yes. Not gonna lie, this took me a long time. Probably a lot longer than I probably wanted to take, but just take a quick look at these not screws, but nails, look. You can probably see it more now. I'm sort of giving it rather than sort of like this, like blend in. But like, look, there's so many of them, it's ridiculous. What is my guy doing? Look, all the way across here, all the way across here. All the way. Guys, if you have an idea as to what the guy before me used all of these, God, it's all around here as well. Look, there. Guys, if you have an idea as to what this guy did in the garage before me, I would love to know. Because I have no idea why it's like this. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, we've made awesome progress today. I'm so glad that we actually got some progress done, and I can now sort of go in between here. I have noticed as well, we've got these like 10mm bolts that sort of going to the ground, as you can see. In the next video, I think we are going to try and get all of this down, obviously undo that wiring that's also down there, go over the garage, maybe give it a good clean, take some stuff off the wall that doesn't really need to be on the wall, such as these. Just give it a good clean. Oh yeah, I completely forgot I need to get rid of all of this stuff as well, because yeah, I've got no use for this. There is a weird, yeah, it might be quite exciting. I wonder what is up all of here. I won't go into too much detail because I want to save it to the next video, because it might be quite interesting what is actually there. There is a rat trap as well, so I don't know if there is rats in here. That won't be good for the car. However, we will find out in the next video. So if you guys have enjoyed this video of me sweating a lot and eventually making a hole in the side of my garage, then please drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think about all these nails and what they were used for, because honestly I've genuinely no idea. Next video is going to be exciting. Hopefully this video was exciting. It might be a little bit boring, but at the end of the day it's just me working on my own, trying to get this done. There is also, I'm going to be ordering a ramp for, I'm going to say for this car, but for all cars. Ramp's going to be going in here once we've obviously figured out all of this. We are going to be painting. If you have as well any ideas with regards to installation, let me know, because genuinely I've no idea. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I did enjoy making it. I'm going to love you and leave you with this beautiful view of a beautiful sky on the 22nd of February. Hopefully we'll get some nice weather in the very near future so we can crack out these videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. This is the new Dream Garage build. And that, boys and girls, was my POV. Peace out, guys.